capsized boat.
Ah, too aggressive, that's it. He can do it, he can do it, he can do it. Ah, he's not hooked on. Nice job, Lucy, nice job! Good job, Sarah, trimming the main and head up, good. Good job. Good save, girls, good save. Go a little higher, Sarah, higher, head up, good. There you go.
There's where she needs to ease. Yeah, there we go. Good. You did it quicker.
Try to jar there! They're gonna jibe or they're gonna pull the spinnaker down? Ah, that jib is flying too much. That's gonna be hard to come back.
Sarah needed to come up higher.
Head up, Sarah! Head up! Good!
I think Lucy did a really nice job there. Sarah just didn't turn as fast as she should have on the end of the jibe.
Okay, prepare your maneuver to pull the spinnaker down. Remember, it's too shallow.